Hello friends, today we're talking about something truly precious. Your health. It's the most important investment you can make. Think of it like this. Your health is your wealth. When you feel good, you can do more, enjoy life more, and be there for the people you love. Investing in your health doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. It's about making smart choices every day. It's about putting your well-being first. Because when you prioritize your health, you're investing in a brighter, happier future. Let's explore some simple, practical ways to invest your time and money in your health. Get ready to feel your best. One of the best ways to invest in your health is by creating a morning routine that sets you up for success. Start your day with a glass of water to hydrate your body after sleep. Next, enjoy a nutritious breakfast. This fuels your body and mind for the day ahead. Even a quick breakfast like yogurt with fruit or a piece of whole wheat toast with peanut butter can make a difference. Finally, incorporate some movement into your morning. This could be a brisk walk, some stretching, or even a few minutes of dancing. Moving your body in the morning energizes you and improves your mood. Regular exercise is crucial for both physical and mental health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. This could be anything you enjoy: walking, jogging, swimming, dancing, or biking. Think of exercise as a fun way to invest in your well-being. It strengthens your heart, boosts your mood, and helps you maintain a healthy weight. And remember, it doesn't have to be strenuous. Even moderate activity provides significant benefits. Investing in quality nutrition is one of the most powerful things you can do for your health. What you eat impacts your energy levels, your mood, and your overall well-being. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. These foods provide the nutrients your body needs to thrive. Limit processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats, as they can contribute to various health problems.